Hi everyone. Whoever got enrolled correctly in the Google Cloud Study Jams will receive a congratulation email which looks like this. So please open your enrollment email and just read the instructions given below once for your reference. Once you complete reading the instructions given below, today we will access and redeem the code of two pathways here. One is Generative AI Arcade Game and the other one is Google Cloud Computing Foundation. The generative AI arcade game is supposed to be accessed in the week of October 3rd, and it can be completed before 30th October, but you will be able to access it only before the week of October 3rd, and today would be the last day of week of October 3rd. So I hope everyone will do this today itself, else you won't be able to take part in this jam session in the further sessions as well. And the other one is Google Cloud Computing Foundation. So let's now start with Generative AI Arcade Game. So to redeem your access code for Generative AI Arcade Game, just come here and click on Go to Gen AI Game. As you see this blue box, just click on this. It will redirect you to a tab which states Level 3 Gen AI Prompt Engineering. Here you can see two buttons in the top right corner. One is join and the other one is sign in. Click on sign in and then you can see email and password section. If you don't have inbuilt login, then just type your email and email password. Else you can sign in with Google. Just click on sign in with Google and look, I've got signed in with my account. And one thing you have to remember here is that you have to sign in with the email ID which you used to create the Google Skill Boost account. That is, use the email ID for which you received this enrollment email. So, this is the email ID for which I received my enrollment email. So, I'm going to sign in with this itself. So, once you sign in, this is what you see with 0 credits. So now just scroll down a little and this will be what you will be seeing, the Google Cloud Arcade level October 2023. So to join this Gen AI game, just click on this blue box, join this game, and it will ask you for a code. So this code is mentioned in your email. Just open your email, copy your code which is mentioned here. This is my code and it is unique for me itself. So please use the code which is specified in your email, not in any other person's email, only yours. So please copy your code and just paste it here. Once you paste the code, click on join. As you can see here, click on join. So now this is what it shows after accessing the code. So it will ask me to give a player name. This player name is my username. So I can give whatever I wish. So I'm gonna give Sri Durga as my player name and click on submit. Once you give your player name, click on submit. So now this will be what you'll be seeing, player setup complete. Once you see this player setup complete, just scroll down a little. It shows your position like this. It means that you are a part of Gen AI arcade game now and this is your rank. So you can increase this rank by completing the labs. So these are the labs which you have to complete in the further sessions. And first, it is compulsory for us to do this first lab. So click on start here. So once you access the code and give your username, click on start here. So click on this right arrow and then you'll be seeing this start here. Don't skip this. Just click on that. So this will be what you'll be seeing. Now start the lab. Click on start the lab. You have to prove whether you're a robot or not. So checkbox the not a robot box And here it's asking me to select all the images with a bus. So I'm selecting all the images with a bus and verifying. So once it's done, your lab will start. One thing you need to remember is that one lab you have to spend at least 6 minutes. Otherwise, your lab won't be completed. So whether you have completed the task or not, you have to spend 6 minutes in one lab. So once you start the lab, the timer gets on. This is how it looks. And then just scroll down. You'll see some questions. Answer them. For this lab, most of the questions are in general. So the answer is nothing but I understand. So click on I understand option for this question and click on submit. So you'll get this right tick box. That means that your answer is right and submitted. Similarly, for the other questions also, please answer the question in this way. Click on I understand, submit, and it's the right question and submit it. Similarly, do for all other questions. So once you answer all the questions, this is how it looks. And then this is what you'll see. Thank you. But as I said, you need to spend minimum of 5 minutes in this quiz. So I've completed the quiz in 2 minutes itself. But you should not end the lab in 2 minutes. So you have to wait for 5 minutes. That is, once you reach 24 minutes, click on end lab button. So now as you can see, I have reached more than 5 minutes. So now I'll end the lab. So just click on end the lab. On the left corner, you can see a red box stating end the lab. Click on that and just submit. You have to give some rating. So please give the rating and submit it. Once you complete the lab, this will be the page which will again ask you to start the lab if you haven't completed. But if you have completed the lab, you can just go back. As you can see on the top left corner, you can see this arrow mark stating to go back. So just click on that. So once you complete this, just scroll down and here I've completed this lab. So I have a tick mark over this lab. So if you get this tick mark over this lab, it means that you have completed this lab and you can go further. If you haven't got this tick mark, just again do the whole procedure again by just clicking on this and starting the lab here and again starting the lab. So if you see the tick mark here, then just avoid it and go to the next step. So now we have accessed the Gen AI prompt engineering game. So this is all completed here.